Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the value of A if cube root of 3087 into A equals to 21. Rewrite this: cube root of 3087 into A equals to 21. Now to find the solution, taking cube on both the sides. So we get 3087 into A equals to 21, its cube. So 3087 into A equals to 21 cube is 9261. Now divide both the sides by 3087. We get 9261. A equals to 9261 divided by 3087. So after dividing this, we get A equals to 3. So our correct option is option C, which is 3.